The Admiral Kuznetsov, a name synonymous with both Russian naval might and the complexities of its maritime history, stands as a symbol of ambition, resilience, and the challenges of naval engineering. Its reputation is a blend of awe and misfortune, with a history as intriguing as its imposing silhouette, embodying the highs and lows of a nation's naval aspirations. The story of this colossal vessel begins in Soviet Ukraine at the Nikolaev South Shipyard. It was here in 1982 that its keel was laid, marking the start of a journey that would span decades and witness the transformation of empires. Initially christened Tbilisi, the ship underwent several name changes reflecting the shifting political tides of the Soviet Union. Renamed Leonid Brezhnev, it was finally commissioned in 1991 as Admiral Flota Sovetskogo Soyuza Kuznetsov, just as the Soviet Union itself was dissolving into history. Designed to project Soviet power across the globe, this behemoth of the seas was thrust into a new era. The collapse of the Soviet Union left it navigating the turbulent waters of a newly independent Russia, a nation grappling with economic and political upheaval. The early years of the Admiral Kuznetsov were marked by a stark contrast between its grand ambitions and the harsh realities of post-Soviet austerity. Maintenance challenges and financial constraints loomed large over its operations. Envisioned as the flagship of a powerful blue water navy, the Kuznetsov often found itself struggling to fulfill its potential. The sophisticated warship faced numerous operational challenges, from technical issues to limited resources, as it sailed through the lean years of the 1990s. Yet, despite these difficulties, the Admiral Kuznetsov endured. It remained a potent symbol of Russian naval ambition, a vessel that carried the weight of a nation's maritime dreams on its steel shoulders. A floating testament to the country's enduring maritime aspirations, the Admiral Kuznetsov continues to inspire awe and debate, a reminder of the complex legacy of Russian naval power. The Admiral Kuznetsov is not technically classified as an aircraft carrier but as a heavy aircraft-carrying cruiser. This seemingly minor distinction had significant implications during the Cold War. International treaties, particularly the Montreux Convention, restricted the passage of aircraft carriers through the Turkish Straits. By classifying Kuznetsov as a cruiser, the Soviets cleverly circumvented these restrictions, granting it access to the Mediterranean. This strategic maneuver highlighted the Soviet Union's determination to maintain a strong naval presence in a region of vital geopolitical importance. The ability to deploy the Kuznetsov to the Mediterranean provided the Soviet Navy with a powerful tool for projecting power, conducting operations, and countering the influence of NATO forces. Unlike its American counterparts, which rely on catapults to launch aircraft, the Admiral Kuznetsov employs a ski jump ramp located at the end of its flight deck. This unique feature allows aircraft to take off under their own power, reducing the need for complex and maintenance-intensive catapult systems. The Kuznetsov's air wing primarily consists of Sukhoi Su-33 fighters, renowned for their maneuverability and supersonic capabilities. These aircraft are designed for a variety of roles including air superiority, fleet defense, and strike missions. The ship also carries Kamov Ka-27 helicopters, versatile aircraft capable of anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue operations, and transport duties. This combination of fixed-wing fighters and helicopters gives the Kuznetsov a flexible and potent air wing capable of responding to a wide range of operational requirements. In 2016, the Admiral Kuznetsov embarked on its first combat deployment, sailing to the coast of Syria to participate in Russia's military intervention in the Syrian civil war. This deployment was seen as a crucial test for the carrier, an opportunity to demonstrate its capabilities on the world stage. Operating in conjunction with Russian aerospace forces based in Syria, the Kuznetsov's Su-33S flew numerous combat missions, targeting rebel positions and supporting Syrian government forces. However, the deployment was not without its challenges. 2 aircraft, an Su-33 and a MiG-29K, were lost in accidents, highlighting the inherent risks of carrier operations. Despite these setbacks, the Kuznetsov's deployment to Syria provided valuable lessons for the Russian Navy and demonstrated the carrier's potential as a platform for power projection. Section 5, Smoke and Mirrors. The troubled saga of a cursed carrier. The Admiral Kuznetsov has, become infamous for its operational woes, earning it the rather unflattering nickname the Cursed Carrier. This reputation isn't just a result of bad luck, it's a culmination of years of technical issues, design flaws, and frankly, a lack of consistent upkeep. For a ship that was once a symbol of naval power, its current state is, to put it mildly, a shadow of its former glory. Its history is, honestly, riddled with accidents, breakdowns, and near disasters, raising some serious questions about its reliability and combat effectiveness. From engine failures to onboard fires, the Kuznetsov has seen it all. These incidents have not only tarnished its reputation but have also highlighted the challenges of operating such a massive and complex vessel in modern times. The ship's propulsion system, which relies on aging boilers and is, let's say, notoriously prone to breakdowns, has been a persistent source of trouble. These boilers, originally designed decades ago, struggle to meet the demands of modern naval operations. Engineers have worked tirelessly to keep them running, but the system's age and inefficiency often leave the ship vulnerable to unexpected failures. Images of the Kuznetsov belching thick black smoke as it limps across the ocean, often accompanied by a tugboat just in case of engine failure, have become something of a meme in naval circles. This isn't just an aesthetic issue, it's a glaring reminder of the ship's outdated technology and the immense challenges of keeping it operational. The sight of a carrier needing a tugboat for support is, well, not exactly a confidence booster. These incidents, while often ridiculed, really underscore the challenges of maintaining a complex warship with limited resources and aging infrastructure. It's a stark reminder of the difficulties faced by navies around the world when dealing with aging fleets. For the Kuznetsov, every breakdown and repair is a battle against time, technology, and the elements, making its story one of both struggle and resilience. Section 6. The Dry Dock Debacle, when Misfortune Struck. In 2018, disaster struck the Admiral Kuznetsov during a scheduled refit and modernization program. While docked in Murmansk, the PD-50 floating dry dock, the only one large enough to accommodate the massive carrier, sank unexpectedly. This incident resulted in significant damage to the Kuznetsov, including a large hole in its flight deck and the loss of vital equipment. The sinking of the PD-50 dealt a major blow to Russia's naval ambitions, highlighting the country's limited shipbuilding and repair capacity. The incident also raised questions about the future of the Kuznetsov, as the extent of the damage and the availability of resources for its repair remained uncertain. Section 7. A Future Adrift, the uncertain fate of Admiral Kuznetsov. As of April 2025, the Admiral Kuznetsov remains under repair, its future shrouded in uncertainty. The extent of the damage sustained during the dry dock incident, coupled with the ongoing challenges of Russia's shipbuilding industry, has cast doubt on the carrier's prospects. Some experts believe that the cost of repairing and modernizing the Kuznetsov may be prohibitive, especially given Russia's current economic climate and the sanctions imposed following the invasion of Ukraine. The possibility of decommissioning, once unthinkable, is now being seriously considered. Section 8. The Arctic Chessboard. Russia's Strategic Imperatives. Despite its operational challenges, the Admiral Kuznetsov has played a crucial role in Russia's evolving naval strategy. Its presence, however symbolic at times, has been felt in the Mediterranean, the North Atlantic, and increasingly, the Arctic. Russia's growing interest in the Arctic, driven by its vast natural resources and strategic location, has placed a renewed emphasis on naval power. The Kuznetsov, with its ability to operate in harsh environments and project power into the Arctic Circle, has been a key asset in Russia's efforts to assert its presence in this strategically important region. The carrier's ability to deploy long-range aircraft and provide air cover for Russian naval assets makes it a valuable tool for securing Russia's Arctic interests. Section 9. Beyond Kuznetsov, a glimpse into Russia's naval future. Russia's naval ambitions have long been a reflection of its desire to assert itself as a global maritime power. This chapter delves into the evolving strategies and projects shaping the future of its navy. The uncertain future of the Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia's only aircraft carrier, has prompted the nation to rethink its naval priorities. Years of wear and tear, coupled with technical challenges, have left the vessel in a precarious state. This has forced Russia to explore alternative avenues for maintaining a credible naval presence, ensuring its fleet remains relevant in an era of rapid technological advancements. While ambitious plans for a new generation of aircraft carriers remain on the drawing board, the focus has shifted towards more attainable and immediate goals. These include the development of advanced submarines, which are critical for stealth and strategic deterrence, and modern surface combatants equipped with cutting-edge weaponry and systems. These efforts aim to bolster Russia's naval capabilities without overextending its resources. One notable project in this new direction is the development of the Project 23-900 amphibious assault ships. These vessels are designed to deploy helicopters, landing craft, and troops, offering a versatile platform for a variety of missions. They represent a shift towards multi-role capabilities, allowing the Navy to adapt to diverse operational needs. These versatile vessels, while not true aircraft carriers, could provide Russia with a more flexible and cost-effective means of projecting power in the near future. Their ability to support amphibious operations and humanitarian missions makes them a valuable addition to the fleet, especially in regions where traditional carriers may not be practical. The fate of the Admiral Kuznetsov remains uncertain, but its legacy as a symbol of Russian naval ambition and the challenges faced by the country's shipbuilding industry will undoubtedly shape Russia's maritime strategy for years to come. As the Navy navigates these challenges, it seeks to balance tradition with innovation, ensuring its fleet remains a formidable force on the global stage.